You're so beautiful. I don't see you, but there's a woodpecker right in front of me. Yeah, there's the blue. What is it? Oh, that. Hi, crow. What's in there is peanuts. There's a crow in that tree. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's hard to see. But there is a crow nearby. I saw a murder of crows today. Unfortunately, at that moment when I saw it, I was walking. I decided today I'm going to do some exercise and put the camera down and not get really that many shots since I was, but hi, crow. I think that's a crow. Either that a crow or a blue jay. Can't tell. Good morning, everybody. Yes, hello. Hello there, babies. See if I can get a lift. Yes, I loved every birdie. I was impressed by that. Yes, I was very impressed to see all the crows. Many, many, many crows in a tree. It was good to see. Yes, it was. I just didn't get any of that on film. Oh, that's the bad part. Hi, Woodpecker. Hi, sweetie. It's good to see you. Yes, it's good to see you. You're a good woodpecker. Peekaboo, I see. Precious. I'm not far away. Hi, crow. Good morning. Good morning, crow. Hello. Hi, crow. It's hard to see that. Oh, there's a cardinal. Hi, cardinals. Oh, yeah, this is a great day. Got cardinals, blue jays. Hi. Two cardinals up there, if you can see it or not. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi. You want a peanut? I got more. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here we go, babies. Here we go. Here. Here you go. Here you go. Hey. Hey, blue jay. Hi. Hi. Here you go. Here. Oop. There. Is that good? Yeah, that's my babies. That's a good babies. Here you go. There you go, babies. I love you. Yes, I love you. Yes, a pretty birdie. Oop, I'm going over this way. There you go. There you go. There you have it.